Unveiling the mystery of blind copy. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, blind copy. Whether you're writing an email or learning about different ways to address communication in English, understanding this term is essential. So, let's get started and dive into the world of email terminology. The term, blind copy, comes from the acronym BCC, which stands for blind carbon copy. In the context of emailing, when you blind copy someone, you are sending them a copy of the email without the knowledge of the other recipients. It's like passing a note to someone in secret while everyone else is unaware. Using blind copy is straightforward in practice. When you're composing an email, you'll often see the To field. Right beside or below it, there's a CC field, which stands for carbon copy. And then there's a BCC field. When you enter an email address into the BCC field, that person will receive the email without their address appearing to other recipients. Why use it? It's perfect for maintaining privacy, especially when sending information to multiple recipients who do not know each other or for whom you wish to keep the email addresses confidential. Using blind copy also comes with its own set of etiquettes. It's considered good practice to BCC individuals when sending out group emails where email addresses are meant to be private. However, be aware that using BCC can sometimes be seen as secretive or untrustworthy if not used correctly. It's essential to use it judiciously and respectfully. Let's look at an example. Suppose you are sending a newsletter to a group of subscribers. You don't want each subscriber to see the email addresses of everyone else. Here, you would use blind copy. Just put all the email addresses in the BCC field, and your recipients will be none the wiser about who else is receiving the same email. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase, blind copy, and helps you use it correctly in your future emails. Remember, it's a useful feature for keeping email addresses private and making sure your communication is professional and courteous. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning, and keep practicing your English.